The growing popularity of mechanical keyboards highlights the demand for personalized comfort and functionality, just like the rising interest in bidet attachments. These bathroom upgrades are becoming must-haves for hygiene-conscious users. In this guide, we evaluate the best bidet attachments based on spray functionality, build quality, nozzle design, ease of installation, and overall value. Whether you're new to bidets or upgrading your setup, this list covers top-rated options to elevate your bathroom experience. List No. LUXE Bidet Neo 185 Self-Cleaning, Dual Nozzle, Non-Electric Bidet Attachment for Toilet Seat. The LUXE Bidet Neo 185 is a standout non-electric attachment offering excellent value. With dual nozzles, one for rear and one for feminine cleansing, it provides a tailored hygienic clean. Its self-cleaning function automatically rinses the nozzles before and after each use, boosting sanitation. List 2. LUXE Bidet Neo 120 Self-cleaning nozzle, freshwater non-electric bidet attachment for toilet seat. Simplicity meets efficiency with the LUXE Bidet Neo 120. This single-nozzle bidet attachment offers freshwater cleansing with an intuitive control dial for spray pressure adjustment. Despite its minimalist design, it doesn't skimp on features. Its self-cleaning nozzle ensures optimal hygiene with every use. The sleek chrome knob adds a modern touch to your bathroom and makes operation user-friendly. List 3. LUXE Bidet Neo 185 Plus. Patented bidet attachment for toilet seat. Innovative hinges to clean. An upgrade to the classic Neo 185, the Neo 185 Plus includes patented adjustable sliding hinges that make cleaning around the bidet easier than ever. No need to uninstall the unit. This model retains dual nozzles and a self-cleaning mechanism, making it ideal for family use. It also features a sleeker, low-profile design to blend better with modern toilet aesthetics. The water pressure control is smooth and precise. List number: LUXE Bidet Neo 320 Hot and cold water, self-cleaning, dual nozzle, non-electric bidet attachment for toilet. If temperature control is a must, the Neo 320 is your go-to model. This non-electric bidet offers hot and cold water functionality, giving users a spa-like experience with every use. It comes equipped with dual nozzles for front and rear wash, and the self-cleaning feature keeps things sanitary. You can connect it to your sink's hot water line, and installation is still manageable with clear instructions. List 9. Clear rear bidet attachment for toilet. Toilet bidet with dual self-cleaning nozzles, adjustable spray pressure. The clear rear bidet attachment stands out for its strong value, especially for first-time users. It features dual self-cleaning nozzles for both rear and front cleansing, making it a great option for households. The water pressure is adjustable, ensuring a gentle but effective clean every time. While it's a non-electric model, it delivers consistent performance and requires only a few minutes to install.